Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a buy button in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add a buy now button on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and let's say that I am selling this checklist product. So instead of giving it for free using this form, I will delete this form and add a buy button. So click on elements and drag this add to bag button and drop it here. This is my button. First, I will resize it like that. Then click on it to select it and click on edit button. Here I will connect this button to a product that is existing on my online store. Here you have to already create your product before this step in order to found it here. Let's say that my product is this classic cup product. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's say that my product is this classic cup product. Click on it. Here you have this shortcut button to edit your product's details. In my case, let's say that my checklist product is already created and this is it. Now jump to the general tab to edit the button text. For example, buy my checklist. You can also edit the button style from this style tab. You can edit the button fill color like that. You can also edit the button text size, the text color, for example black, the border width, and also the button corner design. That was for the normal state. For the hover state, which means when the mouse cursor on top of it, you can edit this state style from hover. The fill color, I will edit it to be a slight different orange color or brighter orange. This is it. And for the text color, I will keep it black. So this is the design I want. And from the animation tab, you can give, or you can use, or you can add an animation to this. For example, this slide animation, scale, or this fade button, or no animation. I will go with this slide, the animation style. Now close this window, click on update website. Let's view my website live. And if I click on this buy button, I will be redirected to the checkout process. And this is how to add a buy button in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.